What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. So for today's episode guys, we will be doing a box break battle between 2021-2022. First box on your left is NBA Hoops and on your right is Donruss. So this is a throwback blaster box. So for both blaster box, meron silang 88 cards each. So let's do a box break no, kung ano yung mas magandang kunin. So available na to guys sa ating Shopee, Lazada, in eShop, cards360.store. So check them out. So for the first box break natin tong NBA Hoops. So nakalagay dito guys, look for the ultra rare anniversary edition parallel. So di ba ngayon yung blaster box of NBA Hoops is 90 cards na, pero for this throwback card or throwback box, it's just 88. So less 2. So 8 cards per pack, 11 packs per box. So medyo madami-dami to guys. So ito yung mga possible cards na makuha natin. So feel free to pause the video if you would like to read further. So again, ang habol natin ditong makuha is the Ultra Rare Anniversary Edition Parallel. So again, in the cover, Cade Cunningham, rookie class. So of course, kasama dyan sina Evan Mobley, Jalen Green, Jalen Suggs, Franz Wagner, Jonathan Kuminga. Okay, yan yung mga top rookies for this class. Alright, so let's start ripping itong first box natin and let's compare mamaya no, kung anong mas maganda between the two throwback boxes. By the way, ongoing yung mga raffle natin guys and promos, I'll just leave it down below para hindi rin kayo mabore no, at medyo madami tayong i-rip na packs for today. And as always guys, I'm encouraging everyone to please like, follow, and subscribe to our channel para to be able to be notified no, sa mga bagong releases and bagong offerings ni Cards 360. Alright, so without any further, let's rip no, itong ating NBA Hoops 2021-2022 okay, Cade Cunningham rookie class. So ayan siya guys, no, medyo madami to. Okay, so bilisan natin para hindi rin kayo maghintay no, at ma-check natin ano yung pinakamalupit na mga picks natin for this blaster box. Tapin muna natin yan. Okay, Carmelo Anthony, De'Aaron Fox, Enes Kanter, na Enes Freedom na right now, Jusuf Nurkic, okay, Mikal Bridges, okay, we have Jaden McDaniels, Desmond Bane, okay, blue, and Juan Toscano Anderson rookie card. Ayan. So moving on to the second pack. So again, check them out no. Available na to guys no sa ating Shopee, Lazada, and eShop. Ito yung blaster box pero available din to sa retail packs. So if you would like to avail one, just check our official stores for the details. Kevin Love, Eric Gordon, we have Zion Williamson. Okay. Na natin yan. Zion. Next is Spencer Dinwiddie. Bogan Bogdanovic. Today is Young. And we have a purple rookie card of Jared Butler and Isaiah Jackson. So far, wala pa tayo nakukuwang top rookies. Let's check. Moving on to the third pack. Alright. Third pack tayo. Okay. Darius Bazley, D-Book, Brook Lopez, Kyle Lowry, PJ Washington, Bogdan Bogdanovic, na nasa trading block right now from the Atlanta Hawks. We have ito, first rookie card of na top rookies, the Jalen Suggs no, from the Orlando Magic, and then the rookie card of Trey Murphy. Na natin yan. Rookie card. Wala tayo ng sleeves guys para mas sleeves na natin. Mamaya let's check no kung ano yung between the two, ano yung mas malupit na mga picks na nakuha natin. Alright. So moving on, fourth pack. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Fourth pack. Ay, magpabukas nito Okay, fourth pack. Ben Simmons, Terrence Ross, nakaka-retire lang. Reggie Bullock, Ja Morant, MPJ, Derek Jones Jr. Then we have frequent flyers of KD. So, tanggalin muna natin tong logo sa gitna. Ayan, lagyan natin. May sleeve. Mamaya ko na i-sleeves guys, no? Para hindi rin kayo maghintay ng matagal. For the rookie card of Jason Preston. Okay? Fifth pack tayo. Alright. Buddy Hield, Josh Richardson, Jared Allen, Kemba Walker, Malik Beasley, Montrezl Harrell, and we have a sky view of Luka. Nice. Nice card. And Charles Bassey, rookie card. Zion, tabi muna dyan. Ayan. So far, yan yung mga top cards na nakuha natin, no? For again, 2021, 2022 NBA Hoops, okay, blaster box. So, 88 cards, all in all po yan. Okay, moving on, the next pack. Hirap niyang buksan, ha? So. Okay, moving on to the next pack. KPJ, Thomas Satoransky, Lou Dort. We have Rudy Gobert na playing well, no, really well for the Minnesota Timberwolves na talo kanina sa OKC. Okay, nag-miss ng free throw si Ant-Man. Devin Vassell, Victor Oladipo, Kawhi Leonard, and then rookie card of Trey Mann. Ayan. Sky view of, so dito muna siya sa gitna, Kawhi Leonard. Alright, moving on to the next pack. We have Aaron Baines, Chris Middleton, Joel Embiid, Miles Bridges, Clint Capella, Patrick Beverly, and we have a blue parallel of Kristaps na nasa Dallas pa siya dito, and then rookie card of Corey Kispert. Ayan. So, dito ka muna. Ayan. Next pack. Otto Porter Jr., Boban, Tyrese Haliburton, na rising star right now. Nasa Sacramento pa siya dito. Jamal Murray, DeMar, Evan Fournier, Alex Pokusevski, okay, and rookie card of Miles McBride. Okay, purple. Include natin to. Moving on to the next pack. Medyo mahirap siyang buksan, guys, no? So again, guys, no, don't forget to like and subscribe, no, to our channel para you'll be able to be notified, no? Again, thank you very much, no, for all your support, yung mga nakasubscribe na. And for those who are not yet subscribed, guys, again, we do appreciate yung like and subscribe natin para you'll be able to know, no, yung mga, you can also comment, no, yung mga cards and boxes na gusto nyong i-offer at i-rip namin dito sa ating channel. Moving on, Peyton Pritchard. Okay, tabi muna natin to. Medyo tumataas na yung Okoro, John Wall, D'Lo, Contagious Caldwell Pope, KCP, Jay Crowder, and then we have Joshua Primo arriving now, okay, and Santi Aldama. So last 3 packs, okay. So far wala pa tayong nakukuwang top rookies, no, bukod kay Jalen Suggs. So let's see, no, hopefully makakuha tayo ng top rookies, no, okay, for this particular class. Okay, Ingram, James Harden, Gary Trent, Lonnie Walker, Tyler Hero, Robert Covington. Ito, we have Kai Jones, no, rookie card, and Scotty Barnes. Ayan, nakalimutan ko, top rookies din to, no, Scotty Barnes, no? For this class, na siya yung nag-Rookie of the Year, no? For this class. Okay, meron tayong Kai Jones, no? Okay. Anniversary edition pala to, guys, no? Nice. So, sleeves natin yan. So, last pack na tayo. Okay, Luka. Tabi ka muna dyan. So, last pack. Okay, for again, NBA Hoops 2021-2022. Ayan. So, last pack. Check natin. Ayan, may isang insert. Dante DiVincenzo, Seth Curry, James Wiseman, Kevin Huerter, Steven Adams, Justin Holiday, and we have a Nikola Jokic Lights, Camera, Action. Nice card. Okay? And then rookie card of Josh Giddey. Okay? Medyo malapit tong last two packs natin, guys. Da? Okay? Ganda to. Lights, Camera, Action of Nikola Jokic. No? So, sleeves natin yan. So far, ito yung mga cards na nakuha natin. Okay? So, moving on, punta naman tayo dito sa 2021-2022 Donruss, no? Check natin kung between the two, ano ba yung mas malupit na cards na makukuha or nakuha natin between the two blaster boxes. Ayan. So, ito, itna muna natin yan and then tabi muna natin tong ibang cards dito. So, again, moving on, punta naman tayo sa 2021-2022 Donruss Basketball. So, for this box, look for autographs naman in Signature Series. Same number of cards, no? 88 cards per box po siya. And then, look for the iconic rated rookies. 8 cards per pack, 11 packs per box. And then, heto yung mga possible cards. Teka, tanggalin muna natin yung plastic, guys, para mas mabasa natin ng mas malinaw. Okay? Nagre-reflect kasi siya sa ilaw, no? So, let's check. So, ito yung mga cards na pwede nating makuha. Meron tayong mga Holo Orange Laser. Again, feel free to pause the video at this point if you would like to read further. Okay? So, meron ding mga numbered cards dito, guys, no? Franchise Features Holo Purple, numbered to 15. And then, meron ding Complete Layers, numbered to 15 din. And then, on average, non-base cards are included. Approximately 1 in every pack. So, let's check, no? So, again, 11 packs po ito per box. So, medyo madami-dami siya. So, ayan. So, again, Donruss. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright. So, good luck, no? Check natin kung mas malupit ba tong Donruss or mas astig, no? Yung NBA hoops, no? Okay. So, check natin. So again, same class, 2021-2022. Wala tayong nakuwang Cade Cunningham or Wagner doon sa first box natin. Let's see, no, for Donruss. Alright, let's start. So Alec Burke, Dillon Brooks, Kevin Durant. Okay, gilid nga natin to, guys, that, para makita nyo mabuti. Marvin Bagley, KPJ, Lauri Markkanen, Jeremiah Robinson Earl, and then for our first, okay, insert, Great Expectations, Alperen Sengun. Ayan, so sleeves natin. Again, Card 360, premium sleeves, one of our best sellers, guys. So, check nyo na lang sa ating Shopee, Lazada, and eShop. Okay? So, Great Expectations, Alperen Sengun. Ayan. So, moving on to the second pack. Second pack tayo, guys. Jeremiah Grant. We have LeBron James. Christian Wood. Terry Rozier. Saddiq Bey. Malachi Flynn. We have LaMelo Ball. Nice. And an orange rated rookie of Aaron Wiggins. No? Sayang, hindi top rookie. Third pack. Okay, let's check. Third pack na tayo, guys. For the third pack, Ayan, D'Lo. Enes Kanter. Dame Lillard. Nice. Kyle Kuzma. Okay, batang-bata pa siya dyan. Hindi niya kamukha yung picture. Kyle Kuzma ba talaga to? Oo, Kyle Kuzma nga. Okay. Colin Sexton. Montrezl Harrell. Joey Wieskamp. And orange of Dennis Schroeder. Ayan. Nasa Lakers pa siya dito. Okay. Pero di ba nasa Toronto na siya right now? I think ito yung season na nag-turn down siya ng offer, no? Okay? Sayang. Okay. Pero again, MVP siya ng last FIBA basketball, playing really well, no? For international, itong si Dennis Schroeder. And of course, NBA naman, matagal-tagal na rin yan, no? One of the veterans, no, of the team. Ayan. Brian Forbes. We have Precious Achiuwa na kasama dun sa trade kay Siakam. Nasa na nga ba siya? I know, kasama siya dun sa OG Anunoby trade, no? Nasa Miami Heat na siya right now. So, binalik lang pala siya, guys, no? Kasi nasa Heat siya right now, no? Then, nasa Raptors, and then bumalik lang siya ng team. Okay? Bradley Beal. Duncan Robinson. If you will check, guys, no, personal take ko, ang ganda ng design ng Donruss year na to, no? Napakalinis nung look nung design niya. Sana mabalik nila yung gantong design. Very smooth and clear, no, yung design niya. We have Yusuf Nurkic, Onyeka Okongwu, and orange of Reggie Jackson. Okay? Next pack tayo, guys. Next pack, we have, okay, Fred VanVleet, Jimmy Buckets, Harrison Barnes, Kelly Oubre, Zubac, Lou Dort. Ayan, one of the top rookies, Franz Wagner. Okay. So, sleeves na natin to agad. So, tabi ka muna dyan, Jokic. And then, we have Cedi Osman, no? Orange. Okay, nice card. Moving on to the next pack. So, check natin. So far, wala pa tayo nakukuhang Cade Cunningham, no? Okay. Zach LaVine. Miles Turner. Rui. Danny Green. Tobias. We have Bogan Bogdanovic, Mike Conley, and we have powered in the paint of, ayan, Giannis Antetokounmpo. Nice. So, gitna muna natin. Lagyan natin sa gitna yan. Okay. Moving on to the next pack. So, I think halfway tayo, no? Dito sa Donruss. Okay. Next card is Domantas Sabonis, Kemba, Looney Walker, Joe Harris, Mikal Bridges, Maxi Kleber, Drew Holiday, and for the orange, we have OG, Blake Griffin. Okay. Moving on to the next pack. Boban, Andre Drummond, Ricky Rubio, nakaka-retire lang, Dorian Finney-Smith, Okoro, Bam Adebayo, Josh Christopher, and we have franchise features of Jason Tatum. Nice. Nice card. Okay. Okay, nice insert. So, Dennis Schroeder, tabi ka muna dyan. So, ayusin natin. Ayan, para makita natin, guys. Now, yung comparison, mamaya, let's compare, no? Kung ano yung mas malupit na mga picks na nakuha natin between the two blaster boxes. So, last 3 packs tayo. Kenyon Martin Jr., Draymond Green, Jordan Poole. We have Darius Garland, THT, Caris LeVert, Rudy Gobert, and we have another Giannis complete. Okay, Giannis. Ayan, nice. Okay, another insert. Ayan. Okay, so dyan siya. Last 2 packs. So, ay magpabukas to ah. So again guys, no, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you very much no for all your support. Malapit na guys. By the way, yung ating sweldo sale, check out our stores no that will happen from January 28 up to Feb 1. So check out no, we'll be having a sale sa mga stores natin. And then of course, the 2-2 sale no for Shopee and Lazada, check our stores no. Next, Andrew Wiggins, RJ Barrett na really playing well right now sa Toronto Raptors. We have Bogdanovic, Patrick Williams, Julius Randle, Markel Fultz, rookie card of Josh Giddey, and orange of Kyle Anderson. Ayan, so last pack na tayo guys. Okay, and then let's check afterwards no sino yung pipiliin natin between the two. We have Joel Embiid, Tristan Thompson, Steph Curry, OG Anunoby, Butch, Isaiah Stewart, Nickeil Alexander Walker, and orange of Jaden McDaniels. Ayan. So far guys, ito yung mga magagandang cards na nakuha natin for Donruss. So of course, we have yung franchise features no ni Jason Tatum. And then we have yung complete ni Giannis, rookie card of Franz Wagner. And then ito yung sa hoops kanina. Na tayo sa kabila. Power in the paint no. Giannis ulit no for Donruss. For me personally, of the two, personal take ko dito, I'll go with close fight ito guys no. But personally, I might go with NBA Hoops. For me, mas malulupit at astig yung mga inserts na nakuha natin dito no sa NBA Hoops. But it's a close fight no. Medyo marami din tayo nakuwang Giannis no. But for me, maganda yung balance no nung sa NBA Hoops tsaka yung mga nakuha nating inserts and parallels. So for this particular break, I'll give it to NBA Hoops. So again guys, available na to no, Shopee, Lazada, and eShop, Cards360.store. Just check them out no dun sa mga stores natin. Thank you very much guys for watching. Medyo mahaba tong video na to. May surprise ako sa inyo. Just read it after this. Good luck to everyone no. We'll be giving out NBA cards yung mga nakuha natin dito. So just read itong next details sa next part of the video. Thank you very much. That's all for me. Stay safe and God bless. That's all for now. Bye-bye.